Welcome back to Product Critique. If you're a creative professional or a passionate photo editor looking for a sharp, color-accurate display without breaking the bank, this is it. This right here is the best 4K computer monitor for photo editing in 2025. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the LG 27US500-W Ultrafine monitor. Let's find out why this might just be your next upgrade. Inside the box, you get the essentials: the 27-inch 4K UHD monitor itself, a sturdy stand base and body, screws, power adapter, an HDMI cable, and a quick start guide. It's clean, it's white, and it already feels premium. Let's talk design. The 27US500W features a virtually borderless design on three sides, giving you an edge-to-edge immersive experience, ideal for multi-monitor setups. The matte screen surface reduces glare, and the stand allows for flexible tilt adjustments. You won't get height or swivel options here, but for most editors, tilt is all you need. On the back, you'll find HDMI and DisplayPort inputs, keeping it simple but sufficient for most workflows. The white finish gives it a clean, modern touch that blends into creative studios and home offices alike. Now here's where this monitor shines, literally. You're looking at a 27-inch IPS panel pushing 3840 by 2160 resolution. That's Ultra HD with razor-sharp detail and outstanding clarity. Whether you're editing high-resolution images or 4K video, every pixel is accounted for. With HDR10 support and up to 90% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage, this monitor is tuned for color accuracy right out of the box. It's not hardware calibrated like some $600 displays, but at this price point, the color fidelity is astonishingly good. The contrast ratio of 1000:1 adds to the depth, especially when editing in dark mode or reviewing shadow details in photographs. Wide viewing angles also ensure your colors stay consistent, even when you move around. LG also includes their on-screen control software. With just a few clicks, you can split your screen, tweak color settings, and optimize layouts without digging through physical buttons. For those long hours of editing, LG integrates reader mode and flicker-safe technology to reduce eye strain. It's a subtle feature, but one you'll appreciate after a 10-hour editing marathon. This monitor isn't just for visual flair, it's built to help you work. Whether you're editing raw files, grading color in Premiere Pro, or retouching in Lightroom, the workspace feels expansive and the image is reliably color consistent. And yes, it's eligible for global shipping, including to countries like India with import charges already factored in. That makes this monitor an absolute steal for creators on a budget who still want 4K clarity and a wide color gamut. If you're a professional photographer, video editor, digital artist, or even a developer who craves screen real estate, this monitor delivers premium visuals at an entry-level price. It may not have USB-C, built-in speakers, or fancy adjustments, but what it does have is everything that matters most for visual work. That's our breakdown of the LG 27US500W Ultrafine monitor. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. More product deep dives are coming your way. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where your next smart buy begins. See you in the next one.